Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set touch and hold delay time duration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then swipe down at the top and tap on the settings button. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. Then here tap on interaction and dexterity. Next, go down to the touch settings section and then tap on touch and hold delay. In here you can choose very short, medium, long. So select one of the options. So this is long. So you can see here if I tap on it, if I select it, it says set how long it takes for a continuous touch to be recognized as a touch and hold. This doesn't affect the keyboard. So if I press on the home key, now if I press and hold, you can see it doesn't select the item straight away. It will take at least 1 second for the item get to register my touch and hold. And this is very short. So if I choose very short, you can see that if I touch and hold now, it will respond almost immediately. And that is how you can change the touch and hold delay time duration on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.